Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So here the last video it was related to the REST, scripted REST API. Here I did clearly explain related to the post method. How do you create it, the API, and then before that part 5 is there. Herely I did clearly mention the notes, everything how to do the inbound integration and outbound integration and all. And before you are watching this video, probably you can go through part 5 and part 6. It will be very easy for you to be understand. And here you will have plenty of the playlist, where I can cover topics related to everything in the ServiceNow platform, and interview questions also there, and mock interviews also there, and each and every part I did make videos, and I will be keep on making the videos. Subscribe our channel if it is useful. Okay, to not miss much any updates from you know our our, our YouTube channel. And quickly you can start watching this video, and if anything, any doubts or clarification, you can comment them out. Okay, thank you, man. You can get started. When you're working with inbound integration, you need to develop it. It depends on the requirement. You will get the requirement something like this. After you get the requirement, you need to understand the requirement and then develop the API and give it to external system people. That's it. Fine. Are you understanding, ma? This is how, where you can be able to do it. Now, I give you one requirement. Tell me how the approach, you tell me what type of HTTP method it is I can develop, and how to develop. Can you guide me now? Okay, scenario is something like this. Jira people asked me, Jira people wants to get the incident numbers which are created, or which are statuses in progress. Jira people wants to get know the incident numbers which are status is in progress now. They wanted to be get it without they are connecting to my system. They wanted to be get these details. How they will be getting to know? What is the next step? This requirement comes.
Create the HTTP get HTTP method.
Get
HTTP method.
Okay, now I had, okay, can I create the new REST API scripted, or inside the same REST API, can I create the new HTTP method here? Okay, simply when this requirement comes, what I'm asking you, scripted REST API. Okay, this is the one. Huh? When you go inside, you will go inside this and create. Okay, I'm going inside. Okay, I had created this. Whenever you are going inside, you will create one more resources, or you will create one more REST API. What is your next step? Tell me.
No, sir. We can create the same REST API.
We can go
Because,
inside, correct? Huh? We
yeah,
can go inside, then say new. Till this points, it will be the same endpoint. Till this point, it will be the same for this endpoint. But the based on the HTTP method that you are creating, for every HTTP method, you will be giving some relative name. That name it will be added. That's it. Correct? Huh? Right or wrong? See, for
yes.
example, get incidents. Okay, get incidents. Save it. First time save it. Okay. Here to get the incidents, okay, Someone don't wanted to be post the data to my service now. Someone wanted to be get the data, existing data. Correct? Then the method would be what? Here, which one? The method?
Get only.
Okay. Now I will tell you something. Okay. Someone, someone wanted to be delete the data. Okay. Someone wanted to be delete the data which are incidents in progress. Then what method you will be selecting here?
Delete.
Delete call. Now get call. Here what I need to do? You can be give anything one name. Something like fetch. 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 Correct? Then save it. Now you tell me. Till now the scripts, right? You know, write everything. What I need to do here based upon the last practice. Tell me now. I will be waiting more problem 5 minutes. Take your
First,
time.
first of all, we go to the request dot
First of all, what you need to do?
request.
Request. Okay. Request get call will be having the request body. I'm selecting get. Get call should be having the request body. Get call should have the request body or not.
No, sir.
So not sending the data means it should not have, it should not be consisting the request body. Get calls only should be having the endpoint. But when you hit this endpoint, what should be done? That you will be working here, that you will be writing the script here, the output response. Are you understanding now? Now you
Yes,
try.
sir.
I will be waiting.
We directly go to the use glide record and add query,
Uh,
and we need to fetch the data into the in progress details by using the add query.
okay. Then how can you get the count? Count
By
we
using
count we need it.
by using the row count, we can.
Get row count.
Yes,
Did you remember all?
yes, sir.
Can we use another method also? Did you watch any reads, our reads? Other Glide API can I use here?
By using aggregate also.
Okay. Did you see anyone? Not watched. Watched or not? Huh? Hmm?
I watched, sir, but I.
Very good. Now tell me. That is why I asked you guys to go through the videos. Okay. Now I will tell you one more API I'm introducing you, that is Glide Aggregate. Glide Aggregate is one of the famous API where you wanted to be get the count. Usually, whenever we wanted to be get the count or sum or average, then directly we'll be using glide aggregate on any table. For example, here, what is the requirement? On which table I wanted to be get it on incident table. Okay. New glide aggregate incident table name. I had created the interface. Then I wanted to be declare the variables also. That's it. Okay. Similar way, glide aggregate also will be having its own methods. It can be having query, add active query, add domain query. These many, there are many. Okay. For our count, to get the count, first point we need to add the aggregate. Okay. We used the aggregate. Next, what you need to do? You need to add the aggregate. Okay. Add aggregate. And inside, do you need the count or sum or average? What do you need, ma?
Count.
Hmm?
Count on.
Count only, na? Count. Next, what next? I have added the aggregate, the count. What query you wanted to be added? I just added the count. It will started adding the count mark. Okay, that's it. Then next, regular things. What wanted to be filter out?
In progress records.
GA dot add active query. Here also the query will be there. Add query or add active query. What I need to take it? What does add active query? Ma? Direct query, only active records it will give you if you add active query. I want it to be add query. That's it. Okay. So if you want, you can go there. What value wanted to be fetched out?
Status.
Status backend value. This only, na?
State.
State. Let's see.
Yeah.
If not, we'll do one thing. Directly we'll add active query. Why to waste the time? Add encoded query. Sorry, it's my bad. Okay, go there. Go to incidents. Incidents dot next. Okay, query. State is in progress. Run it. 27 are there. Query. Copy query. Then come here. State is equals to. Okay, what next, ma?
Query it.
Query it. Okay, what next? Usually what we do while we will be using the while loop. Did you remember? While condition. While next. Now you don't need to use anything, something like that. You can use directly next. Okay. Something like GA dot next. Later, set the response. How can you set the response, ma? Or return it. Directly also it gives you return. Return also can give you. Return what you wanted to get it. First, what you wanted to be written, ma? GA dot, we had added the aggregate there. We are getting the aggregate. Get aggregate of count. That's it. This is the response. You don't need to do anything. Fine. Can we try hitting this URL?
Yes, sir.
Save it. Okay. Now you tell me what I can be added. What just I wanted to be changed. What is the endpoint of it? This is the relative path. This is
Last.
the if I hit this URL, okay, it should give me. Okay, can I change this here? Can I change the modifications? Let's do change it. Get send it. Are you taking it?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you able to do the customizations? Now, can we add it something? The total number of records of status is in progress or this. That's it. You can add the simple good message. Syntax error.
We need to conquer.
Getting it. Very good. Save it. Now, if I hit this, what is the expectation? Getting this is
Yes,
a
sir.
request, this is a response, they should get it. Fine one. Status code. What is the status code? 200. Do you
Okay.
want it to be set the status code? You can set it. Okay. That's it. But deeper level, you need to get more practice now. Once you are more comfortable with these topics, I will tell you in a deeper level here. Okay. For example, uh, user, okay, user missed something in the endpoint in the relative part. Or for example, okay, for body, okay, whenever you are sending out the post, okay, post is there in the body, someone has made the mistake. Then what response they might get it? That can be also making from our end. That is also possible from our end. Fine. Till now, any question? This is all about inbound integration. Is it simple or complicated? How it is, ma? And a few things we will be adding here. Query parameters that and all directly. Okay, instead of here adding, right? Okay, we are writing something. Na? Instead of this, something I will tell you what to add it up. But it's kind of advanced. Now we should have to more comfortable on this. Then we can learn very, very advanced level also. Okay.